If the left and right click on your HP laptop's touchpad aren't working, there are a few things you can try. First, make sure the touchpad isn't locked. Some HP laptops let you lock the touchpad completely. To unlock it, just double tap the top left corner of the touchpad. This usually turns it on or off. After doing this, check if it starts working again. If it still doesn't work, try the next steps. Open Device Manager, press Windows+X, then use the tab or arrow keys to highlight Device Manager and press Enter. Update the touchpad driver, use Tab to select something in the list, go to Mice and Other Pointing Devices and press the right arrow to expand it. Select your touchpad, for example, HP Touchpad, and press Enter. Use Shift+Tab to highlight the General tab, then press the right arrow to move to the Driver tab. Press Tab until Update Driver is selected, and press Enter. Choose Search automatically, and follow the steps on screen. Run an SFC scan, press Windows+X, choose Run, and press Enter. Type CMD and press Enter. In command prompt, type SFC/scan now and press Enter. If that doesn't work, try SFC/scan. Let it finish and repair any system files it finds. Do a soft reset, press and hold the power button until the laptop turns off, turn it back on and see if the touchpad works. If none of these steps help, the issue may be deeper and you might need to contact HP support for further options.